How to lock Facebook profile. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Once you get to your home page, now you have to navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the top left corner below that home icon. Now once you get to your profile page, tap on this three dot icon under your profile. From here, you have to make sure that you have turned off the professional mode. If not, tap on turn off professional mode and then tap on continue. Then tap on turn off, tap on close. Now refresh this page. Now once you turn off your professional mode under this profile settings, there you will be able to see an option as lock profile. Simply tap on it. Now make sure to go through this information given to you, then tap on lock your profile. Then tap on OK. And with that, you have locked your Facebook profile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.